Hello and welcome. Jamb Reprint, Jamb examination slip printing is supposed, from the information we are getting, it's supposed to start today, being the 12th, but this is not a very sure information. But if it comes out, this is where you're supposed to get your reprint at this very website, portal.jamb.gov.ng. And you're going to see a link to that here so that you can print your examination slip. Just the way you printed the mock slip here, you can see this is UTME 2021 mock examination slip. That's the same way you see the link here to print. So I had to do this so that all our students can be aware of what is happening. So I'm going to always keep checking this, and in the WhatsApp groups, once I see that link and the reprint start, I will immediately let you guys know. So if you're around Abuja, you can come to our office for the printing. We'll print colored, good one for you, so that you can write your exams effectively. Okay, that is very, very important. Jamb Reprint. But as you are practicing and waiting for the Jamb to start, you need to read your book. You need to solve 5 years of past questions and get ready. And the best way to do that is by using our platform, educateafricans.com. That is where people are learning. The whole country, that is where they are learning. You can see this for biology, introduction, classification of living things. All the topics you need. See the past questions we've solved already. You can see we ask you the question. This is the question here. We explain the answer. And in explaining the answer, we tell you about so many other things concerning that topic. All the topics are covered: classification, respiration, nutrition, the various levels of life, the various classifications of living things, with questions from past questions. You can see circulatory system, all the system, genetics, variation, everything you need. This is biology. So when you open up, you're going to see a video tutorial. This is where you have to click first, student registration. Register first so that when you open the videos, they will open. The web address is educateafricans.com. That is where people are learning over the country. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Very, very important. The name of our YouTube channel is Tclassified.com. So get our YouTube channel. You see all our videos there as well. You have to prepare for the Jamb. If you don't prepare for the Jamb, you might not get the score you need. That's why you need to study. And the two platforms to study is educateafricans.com and Tclassified.com YouTube channel. Once you go to YouTube, type Tclassified.com. Those are the places you should be in. You should also download Educate African CBT app. This is it here. Once you're on our website, Educate Africa, you see this link. Click on it and download the app to your system or to your phone. We have the Android version and the desktop version. Use the app and practice. That's the best app in the whole country as at now. Everybody's downloading and using it. They're calling me every day on phone for activation. You have to. You still have like 1 week. Some people still have like 2 weeks. So you have to start doing it now. This is the best time for you to do them, so that you write it Jamb once and for all and you get admission into university. That's what you're supposed to do. Don't waste your time. And if you have any reason to call me to guide you on all this, call me. My phone number is 070-671-62698. That will direct you on all this. Because my aim here is to make sure that all of you get very good grades in your Jamb, very good grades in your WAEC, very high score in your Jamb. Our benchmark here for our students is 300 plus for Jamb and 9A1, 9 complete A1. And that's why we went extra mile to prepare all these platforms, so that with that you can learn. So remember, this is where you can do your reprint. Brought down to our office so that we can print it for you. It has to be in color. It has to be good so that it will be presentable for you and you can use it any other time you want. You can also print black and white, but colored is always important. It's always better. It looks better for you. So you can come down immediately. We'll get it printed. Once it starts, which I'm going to inform you guys on the WhatsApp group, please, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, just chat me up and say hi. Chat up. My WhatsApp number is 070-671-62698. If you're not in Nigeria, simply chat me up with +234 70-671 62698. That is the number. That is the number to call. And that is how to connect. That is the number to call, and that is how to connect. So start reading now, start preparing. You have to prepare very well. Your preparation has to be effective. It has to be effective so that you can be able to make the required score to get that very course you want to study in the university. To get that very course, you have to make the required score. And that is what we are here for. So check out our platforms, educateafricans.com. Download our app. The app is very, very important. Once you go to Google Play Store, if you're using Android, go to Google Play Store and type in Educate Africans. That you see the app there. Download it. It's a CBT app. It's the most advanced CBT app in the whole of the country. I know so because I've looked at other apps. That is the best app, Educate Africans. Just Educate Africans written together. Type it on Google Play Store. Download it immediately. We also have for WAEC and for Beche. So download them and start using them immediately. The time you have from now till exam, you can still make a whole lot of improvements in what you're doing. So do that and you'll be happy you did. This is my phone number, please. +234 70-671 62698. Okay. So chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me add you up. If you even click on this place, you can start chatting me up. So these are our other platform, jamb.uni.com. You can learn a whole lot on all our platforms. Our platforms are for education. Thank you.